What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Before I start this video, I want to let you know if you're searching for an internship or job, or you just don't know how to navigate the CS journey, check out the top link in the description. I created a free guide to help you achieve this. But without further ado, let's get right back into it. So today we'll be learning multiple return statements uh, in Python. Now, sometimes we may want to return more than one value from a function. We can return several values by separating them with a comma. So take a look at this example of a function that allows the users in our travel application to check the upcoming week's weather. Now, this whole thing's kind of long, but what I'm going to have you focus is just one sentence here. So if you know how to return uh, values from a function, you can go back to the previous video and learn how to do that. But this one sentence sums up how you can return multiple statements. So just by separating them with commas, you can return them, right? Now we'll look deeper into it. So we have weather data equals sunny, sunny, cloudy, raining, snowy. Okay. So first day, tomorrow the weather will be weather 0, sunny, sunny. Then 2 days from now it will be blank. I see. Okay. So this function creates this function takes a set of data in the form of a list for the upcoming week's weather. We can get our return function values by assigning them to variables when we call the function. So now we can just take a look at this example right here. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then a 3-day weather report. And then you take in the weather data up here, up at the top here, and you print out, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and that's how you print out tomorrow the weather will be, sunny, and then the following day it'll be sunny again, right? And then you have the 2 days from now it'll be cloudy. So let's practice using the multiple returns by returning to our previous code example. So our users like the previous functionality that we added into our travel application. But recently, we've had an influx of users planning trips to Italy. We want to create a small function to output the top places to visit in Italy. Now, another member of our team already started on the implementation of this feature, but is still missing a few key details. Now, take a second to review the code and click run when we're ready. Okay, so first, the top tourist locations in Italy. So first is Rome, Venice, and Florence. Okay, so of course it's not going to print anything. Now we want to be able to return the 3 most popular destinations from our top tourist locations, Italy. Add a line in the function that will return the values of the first, second, and third in the exact order. Alright, so we'll simply do return first, second, third. So, alright, and notice it's still not printing anything because, well, you never printed anything. You returned it, you never printed it. Now, in order to use our 3 return functions from tourist locations Italy, we need to assign them new variable names after we call our function. Set the return of the function to be equal to 3 new variables called most popular 1, most popular 2, and most popular 3 in the exact order. Set the return of the function to be equal to 3 variables. Okay. What does it mean? To set multiple return value variables from a function, declare them with a comma in between them to the function call. Okay, I see. Okay. To set, so set the return of the function to be equal to three new variables. Let me see how we did it up at the top there. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's how we do it. All right. Yeah. So we can simply just take this example right here, and we can do most popular 1, most popular 2, and most popular 3, like so. So like this, and then set it equal to the top tourist locations here, like so. All right. And then use 3 print statements to output the value of most popular 1, most popular 2, and most popular 3. Okay. So to print wrong copy and paste, because we want to print out the most popular 1, most popular 2, and the most popular 3. So I'll do simply this, and actually it's fine. We'll go ahead and do another print statement. And then we return it, then we get Rome, Venice, and Florence, like so. Yeah, so basically what we did is we had a function, top tourist locations, Italy. First one is Rome, second one is Venice, third one is Florence. So we return the first, second, and third, and then we set it to a variable here of those locations. So first we'll get mapped to most popular 1, which is Rome. Second will be Venice. Third will be Florence. Now, you can do this in another way. For example, if you wanted to, let me see if we can do it like this. So ignore all of this code. Actually, you know what? We'll just go ahead and get rid of this code. Okay. Let's say you just wanted to print out Rome, Venice, Florence, like so, right? So another thing you can do is, let me see. If you wanted to use those variables again, you can. If it's just returning it, you can reuse those like so. If you want to print it out though, let's take a look at this. If we do this, if we have the function call, you just print out the function, it's going to print it like this. It's not going to print it like what we saw earlier. So it just depends on how you wanted it print. But yeah, you can print it either way, and it's fine either way. It's just whichever way you prefer. But yeah, that's kind of right here. And again, if you're looking for a internship or job, or how to make your resume better, or like any process throughout your CS journey, top link in the description, completely free. And I hope you enjoy and have a great rest of your day.